Here's a couple little projects we wrapped up tonight here at the shop. So the guys up at the pit, they brought me this bracket. I was told it goes on a screen. They asked me if I could replicate it so they could have one more and come pick it up in the morning. So I designed this one and then had it built and put together within probably 25 minutes. Turned out pretty good. It's out of some 1/2-inch steel. And then we cut out these 2 sheets of 1/4-inch AR. Just getting some orders put together and then setting them out so they can come pick them up. Keeping them happy.